Hello! Today, we have an exciting guide for those who want to enhance their YouTube experience, especially when it comes to saving data and enjoying a quieter feed. We'll show you how to enable muted playback for Wi-Fi only feeds on YouTube, so you can save data and avoid unexpected audio interruptions. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account so the changes will apply correctly. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture located in the right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page. Next, find the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol or 3 dots. Tap on it to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, navigate to the data saving section. Here, you'll find options related to saving data and managing playback settings. Look for an option called muted playback for Wi-Fi only feeds or something similar. It may be listed directly or under network settings or mobile data usage. Once you've located it, simply toggle the switch to enable muted playback for Wi-Fi only feeds. This will make sure that when you're connected to Wi-Fi, the videos in your feed will play without sound. It's a great way to save data and avoid any unexpected audio interruptions while browsing. And that's it! Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, enjoy a more efficient YouTube experience.